Hello, today we're going to learn how to export and import an EXR image sequence using DaVinci Resolve Fusion. So this is the example footage and we want to put some visual effect on top of this. So let's jump into Fusion. And this is the Fusion page in DaVinci Resolve. So normally you would use this graph and add some kind of effect here. But this time we're going to take it into, for example, Nuke instead and do our composition there and bring that back into Resolve. So let's do that. So the first step is to type shift space and then a saver. And then let's connect our media to this saver node. And then we need to set the file name. So in this example, I'm using volumes data EXR. And then I call this shot.0000. And these 4 zeros will be replaced by the frame number. And then .exr. And then you can go to the Fusion menu and select render all savers. I already did this to save some time. And let's now assume that we took this image sequence and loaded it into Nuke, put some effect on it and then rendered it out as a new image sequence. Then we can bring this back into Fusion. So let's type shift space and a loader. And then select our image sequence that I called shot VFX in this case. And then connect the output of this to the media out. And then let's look at this result. Let's give it a few seconds to cache so we can see it in motion. And let's look at this in full screen. So now we have a simple composition that is done in Nuke inside of DaVinci Resolve. I hope this was helpful and see you next time. Over and out.